It's about 5 p.m. The sun's going down, and we're out here night snaring for crabs. We're gonna try to see how the bite is. Never crabbed at nighttime, so it'll be a cool experience. Damn, first keeper, first cast. Big jumbo Dungeness. The gauge is probably way too small. That was like a 7-incher, bro. Nice. This might be my first keeper. Let's go measure this guy. Alright, let's see here. Oh, yep, that's a keeper. Dope, dope. Keeper. Don't worry, mama. You're going back. Keeper? Call that a keeper? Yes, sir. Look at that bucket. Woo! It better be something big. Oh, that's a fatty.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Oh, man. All right, second keeper. Man. I'm gonna measure him just to make sure. Oh, yeah. Definitely a keeper. Going with your little partner. Whoa! 2 keepers at once? Another female. Man, if it isn't a female, it's a male, but short. You gotta keep trying. Another keeper. Slowly but surely.
Might keep, I don't know.
Oh, that's a maybe right there, huh?
Maybe.
Let's check him out. Oh, shy by like
Quarter of a
damn. How is it? Crackle.
I just lost a fat one right now.
Let me see. Hell yeah, that is a jumbo. Hell yeah.
He mad too, man.
They always are. Oh man, the moment of truth. Yeah, bruh, that's a keeper. Yep,
You're in there somewhere. Yeah.
Oh, you motherfucker! Yeah, he got me.
Hey, if it ain't on camera, it ain't happening. So it happened.
He is mad. All right. Slowly but surely. 5 so far.
This is the last one?
Yeah, barely keeper, bro. That is
Another keeper?
a fatty. Hell yeah.
That's off. Look, a loop broke and another loop caught it.
Got 9 in there. Another 3. Another 5. And another 10.